Students, programming with C++ is the next topic of the unit 5. So object oriented programming is example is C++. C++ is an object oriented programming language where we have the classes and where we have some object oriented programming concepts. All the object oriented programming concepts what we discussed in the earlier, all those things are available in C++ programming language. Right? So, a C++ programming language is an object-oriented programming language which was developed by Branch Stratester in 1980 at AT&T Bell Laboratories, as same as in C language. Right? C was developed by Dennis Rich, but it was developed by Branch Stratester in 1980. Right? It is derived from C language and by adding some classes. The C++ programming language is derived from C language and adding a new concept is called as classes. Means it is some implementation or some incrementation of the C language, some small development of the C language features. So that is the reason we are adding some extra features. So we are using C++. Plus is an increment operator. Means we are adding some extra features. So we are using plus an operator. It is named as a C++. Initially it is named as a C with classes. C with classes because it is extensive version of C language. Because we are taking the complete C language, adding only one concept class or object-oriented concepts which are added. All object-oriented concepts are added. That is the reason it is an extension of the C programming language. C++ is also called as C with classes. C++ is the first powerful object-oriented programming language. Now we are using .NET, Java and so on. But the first object-oriented programming language was introduced by Branch Stratester. That is called C++ programming language. Right? C++ supports the structured programming and also object-oriented. Why? It is extensive version of C language. Means it contains all the features of C and also having new concepts. So OOP concepts are added and C language concepts. C is a structured programming and also fully supports object-oriented programming language. Now, what is the difference between C and C++? C was developed by Dennis Rich in 1969 to 73 between the complete versions of C language will be developed. But C++ was developed by Stratester in 1979, ending in 1980 it was released, but in 1979 it was developed. C is a subset of C++ and C++ is a superset of the C. It means that C language program can be executed in C++ software, but C++ program will not execute in C software. So we are using C++ software for execution of C++. But we can use C++ software for execution of C. But Turbo C can't use for Turbo C++. That is the difference. And then C supports procedure-oriented program. Just now we discussed it. Right? C being a procedure programming is a function-driven language. But C++ supports both procedure and object-oriented. Just now we discussed it is a hybrid language. It's an object-oriented programming language. This is functions are available here, objects are available. Just now we explained the structured programming, object programming, same concept here also. Here the function-oriented, this is called as a object-oriented programming language. Then next one. C does not support object-oriented. It supports object-oriented. Right? Its data functions are separate, right? But here data and separated together will be encapsulated into single place. And then here C does not support data hiding. There is no hiding of you. You are in the ground floor. You are in the structure. Your data will not be hidden. But you are in the C++ object, right? It will be, your data will be hidden. So associated functions will be available. Then C does not allow functions to be defined inside the structure. Within the structure, in the first I explained struct, student, rule number and so on, but we can't add any function. But in C++, a class is available. The class has you people and faculty. You are in the ground floor. Any faculty assigned to you? No. Anyone can access. But in the class, 7 faculty are assigned to you. These functions can be used inside the class. This is the simple differences. Again, one more difference is also there. C does not support functions and operator overloading. Function overloading, operator overloading is not possible. Means in C language, as per concept of C language, I can't take more than one class except C. But in C++, I can take C, I can take RDBMS, I can take web technology, I can go for placement classes, everything it is possible in the C++. In C, the function has only one functionality, but in C++, a function has more functionalities. Right? Then C does not have namespace feature, but C++ have the namespace feature. Right? Means I want to restrict some namespaces. You can have some namespace feature also available here. Then C uses functions scanf and printf. We should use stdio.header file. But whereas in C++ we can use input output. But here we are using functions. Scanf and printf are functions. But here we can use objects. Cin and cout are objects of input and output stream. Here input and output functions. Input and output functions. But here cin and cout are input and output objects, which are available iostream.h. Here we are including stdio.h. In C++ you should include iostream.h header file. Okay. Scanf is replacing with cin. Printf is replacing with cout. And here we have to remember one more thing. If there is a scanf and printf only, we can use control string and format string, %d, %f and so on. Here there is no control %d, there is no %f. Here we can use double less than and double greater than, extraction and insertion operators. Right? C has no support of virtual and friend functions. Here it supports virtual and friend functions are available. Right? Here the dynamic memory allocation is available in C language by the concept of malloc and kelloc. Memory allocation, kelloc also memory allocation. This is for a single variable allocation, this is for multi-variable allocation. Right? And free is to destroy the memory. In C language, malloc, kelloc is grouped together and free is all separated. If you are using two operators, new operator and delete operator. New operator use it for memory allocation. It may be single or it may be multiple. Here single for kelloc, multiple for malloc. But here it may be single or it may be multiple memory allocations. Dynamically you can use new operator, dynamic memory operator. It is for destroy the memory. Right? Here malloc, kelloc, free. Here new and delete. Only these two are available. Next, C does not provide support the error handling, that is called exception handling. Example, A equals to 10, B equals to 5. Then C equals to 10 by 5. Yes, output is 2. For example, A equals to 0, B equals to 2. 0 by 2, 0. Now, A equals to 10, B equals to 0, 10 by 0. 10 by 0. Infinity. But C language will not provide that particular result. It gives garbage value. 10 by 0 is garbage value. 10 by 2, 5. 0 by 2, 0. But 10 by 0, infinity. But C language will not provide that information. It gives garbage value. But in C++, we can also handle that type of errors. We should not divide by 0. So that type of errors we can handle in the C++ programming language. These are the differences between C and C++. Just go through once again. Right? It was developed by Dennis Stitch in 1973. It was developed by Stratastep in 1979 to 80. It is a subset of C++, it is a superset of C. Right? It is a procedure-oriented program, it is a object-oriented programming. It does not support any object-oriented concept, it supports object-oriented concepts. Right? Here the functions and data are separate entities, here the functions and data are combined. Here we are using structures to combine, here we are using classes. Here the security is not available for the variables, here the security is available for the variables. Okay, then here overloading of the functions are not available in the C language, here the overloading is available. Means here the function having only one functionality, here the function having more than one functionality. Here input and output purpose, scanf and printf. Here we are using cin and cout. Here we are using stdio.h, here we are using iostream.h file. In the memory allocation, calloc and malloc, for memory allocation you are using new operator. Here free is a memory for destroy, here delete is a operator for destroy. Here exception will not be identified, here exception will be identified by dividing by 0, array index not available, the type of errors will be handled by C programming, C++ programming language. Now we can go for the simple program. stdio.h is replaced with iostream.h, calling is same, void main is same. Then I am declaring int a comma b, declaration is same as C language, there is no changing in the declaration. Data types are same, operators are same, constants are same. Okay, int a comma b, then clear scale. There we are using printf. Printf enter a comma b. Now we are using cout. Cout enter a comma b. There we are using printf open braces. But here cout double is than symbol we can use. This is called insertion operation. Cout double is than enter a comma b values. Cin double greater than a double greater than b. There is no control string, there is no format string, only Cin double greater than a double greater than b. Extraction operator. Extraction operator. It takes the value from keyboard, it displays the value on the output screen. Okay, cout, new line. A equals to text will be displayed, a value will be displayed. B equals to text will be displayed, b value will be displayed. Get ch, then you can see the output. Enter a comma b values. I'm giving some values. 10 will be copied to a, 32 will be copied to b. A equals to 10, b equals to 32. This is about the simple introduction to C++ programming language.